Hello, my name is Jaquita Owens, and my hypothesis was on the was do earthworms show any difference in the burrowing's behavior into soil when exposed to the scent treatments of almond and vanilla extract? I did my experiment on the smell treatment. Um, and again, the reason I did the experiment on the smell treatment was because I kind of like smells myself. I like to go places and just, smell certain things. It makes me feel a certain way. So I just kind of just piggybacked on what I like. So for the investigation, most of the earthworms burrowed after the exposure to both the vanilla and the almond extract controls. According to my calculations, the earthworm burrowed at a faster pace after the exposure to the vanilla extract control compared to the burrow time to the exposure to the almond extract control. The average timing for the vanilla control was 173.29 seconds, and the time for the almond control was 187.25 seconds. I just honestly felt that the vanilla wasn't as strong as the almond scent, and I just felt that they probably just kind of felt a little bit more um, like the water control when it came to the vanilla. I just didn't feel like it was too much of a difference for the earthworms during that time. Again, so the test conditions was the vanilla extract and the almond extract, and the reason why I chose these was because they were in my house and I used them the most. Because I do like to bake and cook with vanilla and almond extract a lot. So um, that's I that's the reason why I chose those two scents because I already knew that I had it in the refrigerator. Um, so that was the reason why I chose that. So this is the timing of the control. It did cut off at the top. I mean, on the left side of the paper, which I'm not sure why, because I took a copy of the full paper, but I couldn't change it, so I just, had to kind of roll with it with the PowerPoint. But at the top is the water control. Then we got the almond. Then we have the vanilla. So and these are just the worms, each worm that I did. Now, some of them did not borrow, but I felt that I kind of used. I felt like I used a couple of the worms more than once because I just kind of put some of them back. But the ones that did not borrow, I kind of feel like they were just not. I think I used them before, just the way they looked. I feel like I used them, but yes. So with the control with the water, I got the average of 1.82.67 seconds, 182.67 seconds. The almond, 187.25 seconds, and the vanilla was 173.29 seconds. So yeah, so these are the times for the borrowing after the exposures to the water control, the almond control, and the vanilla. So I did kind of feel like they were going to borrow pretty quickly. I feel like the experiment supported my hypothesis on that. I did feel like the almond will kind of just confuse them a little bit and would slow them down. And so I just feel like both of my hypothesis was supported in my experiment. Um, so with the smell treatment almond extract, the earthworms were repelled, and the smell treatment vanilla extract, the earthworms was attracted. And again, I think that's because it just was not as strong. I don't know if I had it too long or what it was, but it just wasn't that strong um, of a scent. So, and thank you so much for just going through my experiment with me. It was fun. It was something that I probably would never do again. But, you know, hey, to each his own. You learn something new every day. And thank you guys. Bye.